अभी क्या है ना कि अभी अगर किसी को थोड़ा सा भी बुखार या सर्दी खांसी भी हो जाता है ना, तो लगता है यार मेरे को कहीं कोरोना तो नहीं हो गया. Hey everyone, hope you all are doing well, and in this particular video I'm going to share the 40 days and I think more than 40 days experience of my health journey. And you know what, this 40 days is one of the worst situation or worst thing in my whole career that I have ever been faced. So before you're gonna jump into this video, make sure just subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notification when I upload any new video. And before you go ahead, I just wanted to say thank you so much to Jazz sir. You know what, in this 40 days, who physically helped me a lot to give me a support in everything, a lot more thing that I can express in this particular video. And I just wanted to thank you so much to all the VIP talk member like Guruji, Abhijit, Aditi, Rahul, Tanishq, Pahal, and all the beautiful member over there, like and Tushar bhai, and they are virtually helping me and supporting me a lot to come out from this zone and all the thing. And most important, I just wanted to say thank you to Aditya as well, who helped me a lot to talk with the doctor and all the thing. Depth of my heart that I was saying this one. And let deep dive in this 40 days and more than 40 days health journey. So since 21st of June, I was feeling like somehow tired. मतलब कुछ करने का मन नहीं कर रहा था. And so I just get a consultation with a doctor, and the doctor gave me a 3 days medicine. I took that, but there is 0% improvement. Even that was increase more. I'll start getting a little bit fever and more and more weakness. I don't wanted to you can say travel anywhere and all the thing, and feeling so much tired and weakness all the thing. And even I don't wanted to eat a lot more things. So I was thinking like that the medicine was not working, so I have to take the consultation with another doctor as well. So I just took a phone consultation with another doctor, and he just gave me a medicine for 5 days. And just tell that the most important thing was, you know what, I have a fear of corona, a lot more fear of corona, because I just Google and just check it on YouTube. I just saw that all the symptoms matching with corona. Even I am creating the symptoms by watching the videos. That was, I just get to know about just because of Guruji, because I was thinking every time whenever I'm talking to with my friend, maybe family member, maybe with Guruji and VIP talks, so I was over there. But as I finish that one, I'll totally in fear zone, like I have a corona, because I'm feeling weakness. I have a head pain, I have a fever and all the thing. So it was totally worst situation, and I was thinking like yaar kab theek honga. Then the in second consultation call, I get a 5 days medicine, and I just have recovered, you can say, more than 80%. And after that that medicine was for the 5 days, and I was recovered, as I earlier told, that 80%. And I just sleep that medicine, but after 1 or 2 days I'll still getting the weakness and still getting the fever. So I was thinking like that. And even I just go through one of the video that all the allopathic medicine is also increasing the power of coronavirus. So I was thinking like I just have to leave this medicine, I just have to go for the you can say the Ayurvedic medicine. So I just have to take another consultation call with another doctor who's a Ayurvedic doctor, and I just took Ayurvedic medicine, and I just taken that you can say medicine for 3 to 5 days as well. But still there is a 0% improvement. I was thinking like it's really not good. So finally I was thinking like that, during this day, every time I'm feeling like I have a corona, because all the time the symptoms are just like that. And so the in third stage, after the third consultation of doctor, I just took my blood test. And in blood test there is a doctor say that you have a typhoid which is on borderline. I was okay, if it is in borderline, then doctor start injecting some kind of water bottle, and I don't think so what is that, for the, you can say, strength and all the thing. and I just took for maybe 3 5 days as well, and there is 0% improvement. Now my my fear is totally up to this mark, and I was feeling 100% I have a corona. So I just booked the appointment for the testing and all the thing, but the for the testing purpose I have to go somewhere which is far away, around 20 kilometer from my room, and at that time there is no any you can say auto, so and car also. So I just leave that and I just go with another hospital, and where I just took a lot more, you can say the doctor gave me a lot more you can say testing, blood test, chest test, and a lot more test. And I have not invested, but spent a lot more money over there. And in this 40 days now, there are a lot more money has spended actually. And after that, doctor, as the result come, doctor say that you have some there is a very little, you can say, typhoid, but you have some what was that, I just forgot that. And he just gave a 3 days medicine, and in on that medicine I got the much more improvement, but still I'm having a headache. Fever is not there, you can say weakness is not there, but still I'm getting a lot more head pain in the morning, in the day. When I just have taken the medicine, paracetamol and other, then for some time I'll get relaxed from the head pain, but still I'm getting a lot more head pain. But now I'm good enough to come to my home, so I'll just took train and I'll just come to my home, and I'm in home quarantine. When I just come to here, I just take a consultation with another doctor, which is homeopathic doctor, and this is the final. And he just give me a 10 days medicine because take too much time, and I say you have a typhoid, and because your typhoid has not gone, so I'll start taking. And at the beginning there is there is no any improvement, but still I'll start taking, and a very little improvement there is now, but still there is a headache, you can say. But after some time, you can say maybe more than 10 days, the head pain reduces. For now there is a very tiny, I can say that more than 95% good. Sometime in the morning I'll have a little bit head pain, a little bit, but I'm good. So that's what my health journey in this COVID-19. And I was totally thinking like I have a corona and all the thing, and you know what, मेरे को इतना डर हो गया था ना, if I was there, no one gonna support me and all thing. That's why I just say thank you to Jay sir, Aditya, and all the VIP talks member who just supporting me each and every time over there to get out from this mentality zone to somewhere to be relaxed and doing meditation, doing healing session as well. So I just wanted to thank you so much. So in this in this COVID-19 situation, you have some kind of fever and head pain doesn't mean you have a corona. You just have to go and take a consultation with your doctor and having a blood test as well if doctors say that. And the most important thing is the fear that people have. You know what, कोरोना से पहले ना कोरोना का फेयर लोगों को बहुत बहुत मतलब हैम्पर कर रहा है. So I just wanted to say that don't be have a lot more fear in your mind that is going to be hampering your health physically and mentally as well. So just to keep away yourself from this lot more newses, lot more videos of corona. If you just wanted to see that, just see was that video of how they just have recovered from the corona and all the thing that keeps you positive motivation and all the thing inside you. So that's it for as of now for that particular video. I hope you got the value. If you got the value from this particular video, please do share this video to another people so that they get benefited as well. And as always, keep smiling and be happy, and thank you very much.